fake Hobbs hour meter there. Although it does have a tenth of an hour already on it. Let's see if we can see that one there. Okay. Let's try a few gauges on the other side now. Two of our gauges mount in the same way, and they are the voltmeter and the oil pressure gauge. They both mount in the same way. I guess I'll put the oil pressure gauge on the inside. Almost put it inside there for a second. Well, 2 more gauges installed. Just 2 to go. These are the oil temperature gauge and the amp meter. You can see that they have the traditional studs on the back with the U-shaped clamps, and are a little more involved to get them installed. So. Okay, the oil temperature gauge is installed. I'll just cinch up the old bolts here, or the nuts in this case maybe, so we can get a little view of that. The wrong nut. Too small. pretty good. It doesn't look like it's squished down or anything. Okay, now let's go for the old ammeter. Actually, I think I'm going to adjust the hole a little bit on here. Two flat washers where the terminal rod would go in between, and a rock washer to cinch it all down. And notice that these nuts have somewhat of a concave base to them on one side, which goes down against the lock nut. Nice, interesting feature. Another interesting feature is that this ammeter has like a little plug on it. I've never seen one that had a plug on it before. This is probably the best quality ammeter I've ever bought. Okay, well that doesn't look too shabby back there. You can see all the nuts have been added to all the screws. Looks pretty good. The only thing missing, of course, is the gyro and the turn coordinator. The turn coordinator won't be installed because it needs a new motor. And the gyro will be installed probably within sometime next week. Okay, I have radiused up and cleaned up the hole a little bit to see that the ammeter actually fits to the right a little bit. There's a little bit of movement there. I was able to fit it over a little bit. There's a little bit of clearance between it and the vertical speed housing indicator, or vertical indicator. I suppose that's upside down, isn't it? It didn't actually take too long to assemble the entire panel. Well, I guess that's probably tight enough. leaves us the hardware that clamps all of the wires themselves. The fit of the amp meter here inside of the hole is a little close to the other instrument over here. It almost touches right here. So I'm going to radius out the hole on this side to see if I can't move the meter over a little bit.